Hello, welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I got my first Happy Mail. It was such a surprise. My friend Renee really made my day. She sent me a package of goodies. I've put them in this iris box and I want to share them with you. I'm very excited. You've found Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm Emilee, and this is where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash and get some pages done. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any ideas. So Renee was so sweet. She sent me a box full of really cool Christmas related scrapbooking supplies. This is like a washi tape. I've never seen anything like it before. It's kind of gold and red. And then this is a very cute Merry Christmas ribbon. There were a number of things in different packages, and what I did was took things out of their packages and just kind of combined them into baggies so that I didn't have so much packaging. But there's just all kinds of really wonderful embellishments and things. I'm pretty sure that I will use these in next year's December daily, as well as on Christmas scrapbook pages. This is another baggie. This is more flat embellishments, and then I put the like chunkier embellishments in a baggie. There's some really cute wood veneer reindeer, some beautiful red and green buttons. These are gold stars that are like a wood veneer. Some beautiful things, some buttons and glittery brads, and then some beautiful punch outs of, they look like poinsettias. Those are going to be so much fun. It's a really beautiful sticker sheet. Some Namby stickers. These are white stickers. They'll look great on green and red backgrounds. They're all Christmas related, including a beautiful alpha. I just love those. A set of gold alphabet stickers, wonderful. This is a yellow bicycle kit, and it makes poinsettias. It's absolutely gorgeous. That is going to be so much fun to add beauty and dimension to a page. There's some beautiful holiday cording in there. I just think that's gorgeous. It's going to be beautiful. And this is really cool. It's a journal tablet, and there's all kinds of different punch out tags that you can make a Santa list or just journal on, and these are just going to be so awesome and easy to use. She also included this awesome calendar set. She must know I make a scrapbooking calendar every year. There's the months, and then a few really cute arrows and other sayings. Check these out. Such a beautiful cardinal. And these are hashtag Christmas stickers. Best gift ever, believe, Merry Christmas, thank goodness it's Christmas. Just all kinds of really fun things. We've got a Jingle Time sticker book. I am a big fan of gingerbread men. She also put a lovely note in to me. I'll keep that for private, but really appreciated her note, and this brightened my day. Here is an awesome set of Christmas washi. It's Martha Stewart washi. I don't think I've ever tried Martha Stewart washi yet, but I have always wanted to. And these are just adorable and beautiful. And then last but not least, there's the Martha Stewart pad. And this is a 12 by 12 pad. I will just kind of flip through it for you so you can see. These could be cutouts for page embellishments, or gift tags or journal spots. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just love those patterns. Some cute mistletoe. There's poinsettias. Oh, beautiful. That has a gold to it. Oh my goodness, that is pine cones. That's just kind of a really cute diagonal. You could kind of put your photos on the diagonal too on that page. That would look beautiful. More beautiful poinsettias. A basic green. Love that. It has a stripe. Ooh, there's some more gold. She also put in a couple 8.5 by 11 cutouts. These are really cute. These would be good for cards or for pages. Very pretty. Let me finish with this pad. Wow. I love snowflakes. Those are gorgeous. Pretty wreaths. I love the red and white patterns that are in this paper pad. Some more mistletoe. Wow. This is going to be so much fun to use. I will probably dip in and try to make something with these things sooner than later. Keep an eye on my YouTube channel, and I will probably, I think I have a idea in mind to make my December daily using this pad. And I may go ahead and get that set up. Even though it's March, I have a little extra time right now, and maybe I'll just get busy, work ahead. So I wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Happy Mail. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on scrapping, everybody. And thanks, Renee.